Hi, I'm Roy. Welcome to the next video for 3ds Math for new users. We will be continuing doing the texturing for this ladder. In the last video, we show how to export a UV. It is pretty simple. We just need to take a group, go to Open UV Editor, and here in Tools, we can render UV template. We are using 1024 power of 2. Later on, we study the power of 2 later on. Run the UV template and save it as a. Let me continue. Right here, hit the floppy stuff and save it as a JPEG. Okay. So what we did is that we didn't save all of the ladder because this ladder will be tileable and modular. We just save the stair steps. This is the only thing that we took away because these need alpha maps, and I'll show you right away what is an alpha map. So let's continue. Let's minimize 3ds Max, and here in Photoshop I will be opening the desktop for the ladder steps UVs. I have it right here, and I will go to CG textures. Bueno, mi gente que habla español, estoy con ustedes también. Aprovecho y practico inglés de un viaje, Spanglish, ya ustedes saben, cogiendo toda la gente, español e inglés, me preguntan lo que sea. Here in CG Textures yo voy a escribir metal, ¿verdad? Y vamos a buscar un metal que sea cómodo para escalera. Mira todo lo que hay. Esta página es gratis, mi gente, y esta página está brutal. Voy a escribir, voy a ser más específico, voy a escribir metal floor. Here we go. Too easy, huh? This is the most common one, huh? This right here. But I want well, I will use this one right here. You see how it says tiling? This one is already a tileable texture. I will download this one. Download. Yes, please. Opening folder. And let me take it to the folder that I'm working this project. Okay, right here. And now I will open that in here. I'm a little bit sick, so bear with me, please. Now I have this here, and what I will do is to select color range right here, and I will select this. You see? And I have selected all stuff inside, and I can go quickly press the Q key, la Q, al lado de la W, al lado de tab, and I can paint this stuff with the brush. Let me put it smaller, the brush, pressing the key, the square bracket, al lado de la P, the square bracket by the side of the P key, and paint this transparent too. And if I press the Q again, it will be selected. You see? Or I can do this. Or I can do just this. I can just select this with Shift, select the other one, and so on and so on. Or I can just do one right here, put it black, because black will be transparent, and just copy this stuff. And then select all this. Black will be transparent, remember. And now I can have all these layers into a folder right here. Black holes, and have all of this stuff inside here. And now I can have a white background, because white means that we can see. Let me invert the selection, select inverse, and let me paint something went wrong. Let me delete this. Select this, go to adjustment layer right here, solid color, white. Here we go. Now we're looking good. So now we have a tileable alpha map where white, the program will read the white part as you can see, and the black will be transparent. Now I will select all these two, you want to cover the green areas right there, and put it smaller. Good. Now let's copy this right there. Perfect. And let's have all of this copy here. Hey, how this guy is making copies? This tutorial is not about Photoshop. This tutorial is about AlphaMap. So sorry if I'm not explaining everything. The way I'm doing copies is with the selection tool, pressing the alternate key and moving the layer. That will make a copy. Okay. Later on, I will begin the tutorials on Photoshop. From now on, just bear with me, please. Okay, I will have this move this way and this move this way, and I will have all of these merged together and all of these to merge together. I want one original right here, and I will have these two merge. Okay, we're good. Okay, and what I will do is to copy this one here and copy it this way. Control alternate C, control alternate Z hace undo. Estamos, para que lo sepan. Control alternate and Z key will do an undo right there. With shift you can move vertically or horizontal precisely. And now we can just copy these two guys right here and have it here, put it in there, and then press Control T, Control T, agrandarlo un poquito, ahí está, y borrarlo. Ahí está. And then merge it together. That's it. And now we have this area right here that we need. Control T. I did something wrong. Let me undo. Here we go. We can merge it because we have the alpha and the diffuse. The colorway is the diffuse map. The black and white is the alpha map. Control T, move it this way, hit enter, and here we go, we're good to go. And then let's copy this here, and copy here, and let's copy this way, Control T, right click, flip horizontal, let's put it in here, Control T, let's put it bigger, here we go, and then let's go up, and the other one, just bear with me. Let's have, I have a mess on the layers. I have a mess. Let's have these two. Copy it this way. And let's copy this. With Control or Shift, you can select more than one. Let's copy this all the way down here. And let's have this copy here and here. And the first two. Let's copy these two here. Here we go. And now let's separate the alpha from the diffuse map. What I will do is that I will drag and drop the diffuse again. And I will have this diffuse in the background. I will hide this layer from now just a little bit. And what I will do is to separate the black holes from the metal. So I will move this way. These two black holes, I will merge them. Metal, black hole, metal, black hole, black hole, black hole, black hole, black, merge. Metal. Black. I know that this tutorial is like 17 minutes from now, but I just want to end this because I'm not explaining Photoshop. Black hole, metal, black hole, black hole. This tutorial is not about Photoshop, it's about how we use Photoshop to finish our model on 3ds Max. Blah. Merge. Metal. Hasta aquí. Con Shift, tú seleccionas todo esto. With Shift key, you select all of this. Black, metal. Black. This is what happened when you done this the right way since the beginning. This is what happened. Metal. Okay. We are missing the original, that is this one right here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is have I'm missing one. Let me check something. Ooh. I have this merge. Oh, of course. I'm missing this right here. Let me copy. No. Yeah. Okay, so what I will do now is to have this Control J, Control J to make a perfect copy and move it upwards. And put it in here. And put another one in here. Make another copy, Control T, Control T with Shift, rotate it 90 degree. Have one here. Let me delete this. Let me have another one here, another one here, and another one here. And now what I'm gonna do is select the background. I have select the background with the magic wand with the W key. Select the background, then go to select, modify, expand. Sorry, contract 2 pixels. Hit OK, and then let's select these layers and hit the back key. You see? And now we have the alpha. We have a background layer. It can be gray or it can be a complete color. You don't have to be this one. You can have a solid color and select one of these colors. That's it. Sorry for my cell phone, guys. So now let's save this as a diffuse. Control Shift S. BMP, the format will be. Sorry for my cell phone again, guys. Que tengo el PlayStation ahí encendido. Ya lo silencié. BMP, and let's rename this as underscore DEFF, diffuse color. Okay. And let's hit save. 24-bit Windows. Please don't use OS. Just kidding. But if you're working on a Mac, make sure you select OS, of course. If you're working on Windows, so select Windows and 24-bit. And then let's turn on the alpha maps. And let's save this. I'm missing something here. Let me copy this and have this white. Because white? Because I want all of this to be seen, so I will have a white. Only this part will be black, so it will be transparent. So I will save this as a BMP2 and rename this ALPH alpha map. Hit save. The same stuff goes for this one. 24 windows. Okay. If you want, you can save the Photoshop file. Photoshop ladder steps UV. Hit save. Now everything is safe. Back to 3ds Max. I will open the M key for the materials, and I will have this diffuse drag and drop to this one, and I will rename this material as ladder steps, and I will select the steps and apply the material to it, and as you can see, they are fixed perfectly. They fit perfectly on there. It is just grateful, huh? Oh, this one didn't fit that well, but the other ones did. So now I want this to be transparent. So what I will do is to go to opacity right here, hit this right here, bitmap, then go to desktop and select the alpha, hit OK, and the program do the rest for you. You see, now we have a steps. If you press number 8, you can change your background color to gray, and then if you press F9, you can do a smaller render, and in the render you cannot see the bottom part. But if you press two-sided right here and you hit render, then you can see the other part of the stairs. So this concludes this tutorial for the ladder steps. I hope you're learning. Sorry for the long. This is a half an hour tutorial. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. In the next tutorial we will finish our other sides for the ladder. The other parts will be super easier, so bear with me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. I hope you're learning. Ask anything if you need to ask something.